In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google One subscription expiry date. First, open your browser and search for Google One. Type Google One into the search bar at the top, then press Enter. On the results page, you should see the official Google One site near the top, usually with the word Google and the colored logo next to it. If you see language or region suggestions under the link, that is normal. It is still the same Google One service. Take a second to make sure it is not an ad from another website pretending to manage storage. It should clearly say Google One from Google. Once the results are in front of you, click the correct Google One link and sign in. If you are already signed in with your browser, Google One may open right away using that account. If not, you will see the Google sign-in screen with the box to enter your email address. After entering your email and password, you might be asked for a verification code if you use two-step verification. When sign-in is complete, you should land on the main Google One page with your storage bar and plan details near the top center. If you have more than one Google account, double-check the small profile picture in the top right, since your subscription is tied to that account. From the home page, click Settings. You will usually find the Settings option on the left side menu below your Storage and Benefits sections. The Settings icon often looks like a small gear, which helps you confirm you are in the right place. After you click it, the main area of the page changes to show account settings, like storage settings and plan information. Take a brief moment to notice there is no need to save anything here, just to view details. Everything you see is already live and pulled from your current subscription. Next, click Change Payment Method, then click Manage. These options are usually in the section related to your current Google One plan and payment. When you click Change Payment Method, a new panel or page opens that shows how you are paying for Google One. Inside that area, look for the Manage option and click it. This Manage link takes you into the billing view for your Google One subscription, where Google lists charges and timing tied to your selected card or other payment source. After clicking Manage, the screen may briefly reload before showing the detailed subscription information. Finally, view your next billing milestone listed clearly next to your active payment card. For example, next charge 490 pesos on November 10, 2026. On this screen, you will see the card brand and the last digits of your active card, and right beside it, the date of the next charge. That date is effectively your current subscription expiry point, because your plan renews on that day. If you pay yearly, the date will be further out, and if you pay monthly, it will be about 1 month from the last charge. You have now checked the exact date when your Google One subscription will renew or expire. So if this helped you plan your storage, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple Google how-tos.